Hey everybody, it's Mark here, and I've got with me a special guest who is doing extremely well as an affiliate, making excellent affiliate commissions from promoting products with a special form of traffic marketing and so forth. And he's going to talk about the method and give a bunch of tips on today's call. So without further ado, I want to introduce you guys to Kai. Welcome along, Kai.
Yeah, hello everybody. My name is Kai. I come from Taiwan, and nice to meet you, Mark. Great you have me here.
Great to have you here. So, just to fill people in, before this call, we had a quick chat about how you got started, and I'll just quickly sum this up for everyone listening so that they get the gist of how you got underway with this. And so, basically, you started off doing insurance, and then you borrowed a bunch of money, invested it, and then lost it. And then you went in and tried drop shipping, and you made yourself about $100,000 or so in 6 months or something like that in profit. And
Yeah,
then and now you've paid off your debt, right? And now you've got 50,000 spare. And then you started doing, is that when you started doing affiliate marketing?
oh yeah. First, the reason why I choose dropshipping because you don't need to capital to start. But in that moment, I do have a credit line, but I don't have cash and I don't have money. So I just need to find a winning product and use pay ad. So if something is working, I can use pay ad leverage it to scale really high number. But that moment only focus on Taiwan marketing because I only know about Chinese, traditional Chinese. China people don't know traditional Chinese, and English people don't know traditional Chinese. So I just need to focus to do how to do better than the other Taiwanese people. And one day, I think dropshipping Taiwan business model I run around 2 year or 3 year, and the total sales revenue around $1 million every single year, but the profit is still very limited. It's around 20%, sometimes maybe 10%. So I start to want to figure out how can I to generate more higher sales, and I saw some English affiliate marketing from a guy called Peter Kale, and there's some other people. They say if you run affiliate marketing, you can leverage your winning ad to the worldwide because these people you just need to setting an English language. If they can watch English language video, then you can sell your product. Yeah, I just saw what the fuck? Why I still focusing about Chinese marketing? I should start learn English and sell English product or information. Yeah. So I start learn my English from last year and start joining every marketing course, and every
You
single
started
day.
learning English only a year ago.
Yeah. Last year I use ChatGPT. I also open Google Translate right now because if something keyword I don't understand, I can
Wow, that's
just
amazing.
yeah.
Oh, you've learned a lot
No, yeah. I do
in
a
one
lot,
year.
but
One
more.
year, you speak good English for 1 year.
But I just need to make sure I am be more confident. But I definitely sure my English is not 100% right. So I just figure out I should say this blah 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 blah. But I'm not sure every single word I'm saying is right. But I think maybe
Close enough though. It's good. That's great for 1 year. You should be proud
yeah,
of that.
maybe
Yeah,
can speak and listen. Yeah.
great. Okay, so now the method that you use for affiliate marketing, it's a method that is taught by a guy called Chris that we'll chat about way later in this call. But we'll say that it involves faceless YouTube ads, so you don't have to be on camera,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
you generate them. You use AI for the voice, AI to make the video, and you just go out, pick a product in a certain niche, and earn affiliate commissions from that product. So basically you have a simple type landing page. Have I missed anything there?
Yeah, I start from create every marketing, everything, something like that. And I definitely cannot show my face on camera because I Taiwanese, I Asian people. So if English people watch my face, they definitely not buy something from me. So I start learn how to use AI or use some tool, something like that to sell information on the internet.
Okay. And so basically, though, you don't own the products. You pick a product that's already selling well. So they've already made everything for you. So you don't have to deal with the customers or anything like that. You just collect the affiliate commissions. And you like promoting products in lots of different types of niches. Like you were talking about a personal development niche, like before this call, for example. Is that's the kind of thing you like to do? You prefer information type products? Is that right?
Oh yeah, I usually just promote proven offer because the only once you pick a proven offer, the only reason you cannot make it work is just your my ad, right? If some other people can promote this product, it's working, but I cannot make it work. It definitely a problem is on my ad side, but once I focusing on every marketing, especially only focusing on one ad platform like YouTube ad, I I start something change. I start more feel like I can know how YouTube algo how it work right now, and I think it's really important for every media buyer because the media buyer advantage competitive is you know algo better than others other people. Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't take too much to learn more than the average person if you're willing to push through. What would be one of your best days or weeks? Like, how much money do you make with affiliate marketing
My biggest revenue is around $35,000 a day or 30. I forgot a number. 35,
per
30.
day?
Yeah, a day. 30.
$35,000 a day. And I realize that's not a typical amount that you'd make. That's an exceptional day. What's a more typical amount that you'd make per day, and at what sort of rate of profit?
Maybe spend 5K, but earn but make 8K. Yeah,
Spend 5K and make 8K, that kind of thing. Okay.
yeah.
Right. Okay. And then you just dial it up though when you know it's working and just try to figure it out. Is that how it works?
Yeah, spend 5K, make 8K back. I think it's more sweet and the risk is more lower because I can more affordable if the ROI it didn't increase. But in that moment, I just want to figure out how much revenue I can scale to
I see,
higher.
and that's why you spent that much and did that much.
Yeah,
So the more typical day for you that you spend 5K, make 8 day, is that more typical than the $35,000 day?
yeah.
Okay, gotcha. That's still really good though, 3K a day,
Yeah.
in profit. And so, I mean, English is your second language, and yet you're able to basically use Chris's tools to generate the ad scripts and modify it with AI if you want to, and you use AI tools to make the videos. So does that mean that it makes it rather straightforward for you, and in terms of making the ads?
Yeah, English definitely my pain point. So I use AI tool. The biggest benefit about AI is he can generate a copy you want, and he also already translate all the English something. Make sure I not speak wrong word like that. So
Do you,
it's really sweet for our people, especially English newbie.
do you ever use other languages as well? Because obviously this model works in French, German, or other languages too. Have you ever tried other ones, or you just thought I'll focus on English because that's the one I've been learning,
uh,
and that's the biggest one?
I know I know some other people generate very monster sales revenue on like Germany or something language like it, but I only focus on English right now because I think the the local is very important. Even so far, I still don't know how some keyword need to. The local language is more resonate with audience, but this English it's hard to find from AI. AI will generate very how to say very novel or generally English speaking, but AI cannot generate very local people know how this means. So
I see.
I want
Yeah.
to laser focusing on one language in English marketing, and I use AI at the same time. And the other side, I use Spy Tool to find what other people say about this keyword, pain point, or a huge benefit, something like that. So I can more like customer what are they thinking about.
Right. No, absolutely. Great. Oh, well, that's really good. And obviously AI also functions behind the scenes, the way YouTube, for instance, or other places run their ads, right? As in, you can set how much you're willing to spend to acquire a sale, and obviously at the lower levels it may not achieve that, so you don't scale it. But as you're scaling it, you're seeing, okay, it's achieving this, like I'm willing to spend, let's say, $60 per sale because you're making $100, so you can just set that in there, right? And then Google keeps going out trying to find pockets of traffic that it can buy for you that makes the sales at $60 per sale. Because some people are sort of wonder, how do I scale? But scaling is made easier because AI in the background used by YouTube makes sure that your ad is shown to the right people, correct?
Yeah.
In their interests.
If result ROI is positive, I just increase the budget. So start figure out how much revenue I can scale.
Right. Okay. Well, what would you say to somebody that was thinking about jumping on a call with Chris? Because Chris has got another workshop coming up, a new one, with the updated version of his method and so forth, updated software tools and everything. And he's going to be running a step-by-step training. What would you say to someone that was considering getting on that call?
Uh, I think if you want to start every marketing, this business model, no matter what business model you want to start, it feels like you want to achieve the average peak in there because you want to success on each business model. But first, you need to find which guy is a proven winner and who's the best player in this business model. And Chris Reader, he's really a top guy. Very very long years ago, from very long years ago to right now, 2024, he still run his ad and he still have tons of testimonial, positive testimonial student. That's why I jump in a webinar before I start my affiliate marketing, because I don't have so much money and cash can burn. I don't have knowledge. My English skill also is not very good. So I need to find someone already achieve the average mountains peak and up down up down up down so many times, because you know where's the shortcut, you can get a resource, how you can use this AI tool to hit a winner. So I think that's the most great choice for me. So if somebody want to find a mentor in every marketing, I think Chris Reader is a very good choice. A very yeah.
Great. Well, thank you, Kai, for everything that you've shared on today's call. And for people out there that are really interested in affiliate marketing with paid traffic following this method, Chris is running a workshop, and the link to that will be below this video or in the description below. Make sure to check that out, and I look forward to seeing you on the call. And for everyone watching, take action with what you learn, and we'll see you next time. Thanks again, Kai. Bye for now, everybody.
Yeah, bye Mark, bye everyone.